Hi guys, I'm now at the Lexus Damansara, having just returned the NX. So here oh wait, hang on, check this out. Oh, well, that was Bobby there. This was during the Lexus NX media drive. Ah, look, that's Bobby. Okay, never mind. So, so just now as after I dropped the car and I came and checked and I found this rather interesting challenge. Check this out. So we've all heard of the Lexus Takumi challenge, right? Okay, so basically it is so there you have it. Check this out. So one of the qualifying tests for the Lexus craftspeople is that they have to be able to fold, okay, an origami with one hand, which is their non-dominant hand, and they have to fold well, they have to fold something like this with less than 90 seconds. The wisdom of it behind, of course, is that this is um, to keep to ensure that these people always have a good control of their motor skills. So I'm gonna try my luck with this. Okay. You know, there's that strong urge to use my right hand help. So this is what I did in 80 seconds. Ugly as shit.